content management systems basically allow individuals to manage their website. It provides for a nice foundation. It allows developers to build upon a framework that's already in place. So it's kind of like you're buying a prefab house, and then you're just putting the fixings on that house. There's a lot of different content management systems out there, and it's very important for small business owners to distinguish between the various content management systems that are out there. The most popular content management system is WordPress. Now, WordPress is traditionally used as a blogging platform, but it's extremely powerful. It has the lowest amount of users and developers, which they call a development community. So that community actually provides a lot of tools so that other developers can utilize those tools as different sets of functionality for their websites. So WordPress is extremely popular. We have others. And I know there's a gentleman here that I actually work with, Tariq Cook, who's a phenomenal PHP developer, and his content management system of choice is actually Drupal. There's Joomla. We like CMS Made Simple. So there's various content management systems that can be utilized, but you want to make sure when you're developing a website and you're working with your designer or your web development team that you understand exactly what you're getting, because different content management systems fit different businesses. A lot of small to medium, I would say a lot of small businesses start off with WordPress. Start off with WordPress because it's really easy to use. It's very user friendly when you're managing the content from the back end. And you can also go to WordPress, I believe .com or .org, one of the two, and basically get a template and get a website up and running in a matter of minutes. It's important. I also want to piggyback off of what Bennett spoke about, with SaaS-based solutions, because they're SaaS-based content management systems. A popular one is Squarespace. So you can go to Squarespace, you can pick a URL, which is your web address, and you can pick a template, and you can have a website up in a matter of minutes.
Okay, so let me just interject for 1 minute, because did you see the faces when you said SaaS? They're like, what?
Okay.
What? So, can you explain what SaaS is and why, just give us some generic background for what SaaS is.
All right, SaaS is what Bennett just spoke about, software as a service. It's basically hosted software. And it's really important to understand what technology is out there, because you're most likely going to integrate some type of SaaS-based solution into your website. We do it with a lot of our clients, and as well as social media. But when it comes to like SaaS-based solutions, sometimes there's different programs that might help you out with analytics, such as like Google Analytics, so you know exactly how many people are coming to your website, where they're coming from, what keywords they're utilizing to find you. We use Wufoo for surveys and forms. There's also SurveyMonkey. So there's a lot of different SaaS-based solutions, and you can find them fairly easily on Google. So if you're looking to put an online survey on your website, just type in online survey, and you'll actually find SaaS-based solutions that you can then tie into your website. And why I speak about doing that is because it helps with cost, right? If you have a website developed from the ground up, you're going to pay a lot more. And you also have to understand, those prices vary depending on who you're working with, the experience of the web development partner. So a lot of times it helps with the cost, and a lot of these SaaS-based solutions